Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be doing a small wing bowl, perfect for maybe your change or something like that. So we just marked out there for the Mortise. This is a piece of Anjan, I believe it's called. I've never turned it before, so it was a new experience for me. So we've got the camera turned round and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. The first tool we're using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. It's quite a hard, dense wood this was. Going right up to the Mortise. And doing our last few passes with the #1 hollower. There you go. Alright, so now we are going to make the Mortise, and the first tool we're using is the mid-size detailer, just to mark out where it's going to go. Clean it out with the #1 hollower, and we're going to flatten everything off using the mid-size rougher. And now we're just going to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck using the mid-size detailer. There you go. Alright, I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to go around the wings to start off using 240 grit with Klingspor Abrasives inside the drill. And we're going to keep it in the drill, and we're going to do the rest of the bowl. There you go. Now we're going to go and clean that grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Really see that grain pop. Alright, some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer here. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You wipe this all over until you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. If you're going to do this by hand, be very, very careful with them wings. You don't want to catch your fingers with them. There you go. Alright, some Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax here. Just wipe this all over, get nice even coverage. Then you let the solvents evaporate, you turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200, and then you buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on. Again, being very mindful of those wings. And there you go. Just clean off any residue there from the wax. Alright, so we've got it turned round into the chuck now. And now we're going to start by facing it off to start off with, and then we're going to hollow, but we're going to stick with the #1 hollower. Getting rid of that little nubbin at the end there. And there you go. Alright, once again, already done most of the sanding, so we're going to sand to 240 grit here with the drill. Quick brush off with the brush. And some methylated spirits to clean the grain, or denatured alcohol. Beautiful looking wood. Alright, some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive paste. Once again, same as before, wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Also same process as before. Wipe it over, get a nice even coverage, let the solvents evaporate, and then turn the lathe up to around about 1,000 to 1,200 and build up that heat by buffing it in. Being careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.